Lately I have been getting a lot of these letter in the mail where they're offering quick sale, all cash for my home. And so I want to do a quick video to share a couple of things that you need to be aware if you are considering taking one of these offers. So typically, these offers are coming from investors. So there are a lot of flippers and investors out there who want to buy ugly homes. The older they are, the worse considered they are, and the better. And actually, they don't want it too worse because they don't make as much money if your home is like about to fall apart. But they do look for those type of homes. So that way they can give you a cash offer, a quick sell, and then turn around and resell that home. You think, some of them will actually do some work on the property, remodel it, make it beautiful, flip it essentially, and then sell it. And there are some that will just straight out clean it up and then put on the market, sell right away. So what do you need to be aware of when you are making a call to get these type of offers? So just know you are not getting the highest and best. You are getting the two things you're getting is time, speed, and you are getting cash at a much lower price. Typically, you will see them offering at 60% or 70% of the value. Here in the Bay Area, it can be higher. It can be two, three, four, 500 under value. I actually met a homeowner when I was in Wally's neighborhood, and I had a chance to talk to them, and they were saying, yeah, we're in a situation right now where we we don't want to deal with the traditional sale process. We don't want to have to clean up. We don't want to have to fix anything. We just want to get it sold and be done. We don't want the headache. And so they took one of these offers. And when I talked to them, and I actually had a chance, they were actually cleaning up the house to get it ready for these investors. And so like, hey, can I take a quick look at the home since you're here? And so then, yeah, go ahead, take a look. And oh my gosh, it was in pretty good condition. So even though this homeowner was thinking their home is old and it's not worth as much, and it's better just to like take a quick cash offer, their home was actually could have gotten at least 200 to $250,000 more if they just had put on the market. And when I was going through the home, they actually had cleaned up the house. They had taken everything out of the house. So it was a blank slate, which is perfect for putting on the market. And for them, they're like, well, we already took the offer, and they were going to get paid in about 2 weeks, which is the typical time frame for a cash offer. Had they just put this home on the market, the same process, they could have gone that cash offer probably from an investor as well in about the same amount of time, almost the same amount of time. So when you are um, working with this type of offer where it's completely off market, you're talking only maybe to one buyer because let's say you call one of these people who has to send you a letter, or even if you call five of them and all five of them came, you only have essentially exposed your home to five. They're not going to give you the highs and best. They're going to give you as low as possible because they are giving you also cash, right? They're not going to. And by the way, some of these people don't even have the cash. They are actually doing a loan, so they are doing a hard money loan. And those things can be done within a week, 2 weeks at most. And so they are paying a very high interest in order to get that quick turnaround for you. And hence they are offering you a much lower price. And there are those that actually, even when they offer you quick sell all cash, what they're doing is not even their money. What they're doing is that they're going to sell that contract with you to somebody else who will actually fund you instead. And they become the middleman and take it. So it's no different. And you actually losing. If that was the case, you're losing out on so much more money than have you gone with a traditional agent where where their fiduciary is to make sure to take care of you, to get you the highs and best, and get you out the home as quickly as possible. And even, let's say, even if you hire a realtor and they would put it on they list your home as an off market, you will still have more exposure and getting a better, higher price than if you had just gone to one or two investor who has sent you a letter saying, we will buy your house all cash. You will still get a better deal. And again, right, when I work with my client, they'll say, oh, I want a quick sale, I want this and that. It's not a problem. No, we don't tell client that, no, you have to go on market. No, you have to wait for a buyer. You have to wait for like a month. You have to fix this or you fix that. No, it's, we are here in the Bay Area where inventory is such a shortage that we sell house here as is. We don't fix it. Do we recommend client juice or anything to the home? Yeah. In the situation where I always have two questions. Do you want to get the highest and best or do you want it fast? Which way? And highest and best can get, I mean, like top of the market, top of the market. Of course, you're going to need to do some work. You're going to need to pretty it up. We need to stage it. We need to market it aggressively to get you the highest possible price, top of the market, premium price. But if you go, I just want it quick, easy, I don't want to deal with hassle and headache, I don't want to repair anything, guess what? We can even take care of some of the repair for you. We'll get it ready and done for you, and we can get it sold to an investor or other buyer on the market. There are plenty of buyers, not a non-investor. There are buyers who are looking to buy their first home or even their second home with all cash. That is the market we're looking at. There are people here some people here have so much money. Don't miss out on this opportunity where you can get more for your home. When you take an offer from this type of thing without even getting, I would say, if you want to take an offer from one of these investors, I would say at least talk to one or two realtor as well, just to see what they can offer you. Because we can also do the same thing where we can get you a cash offer within 2 weeks with the home being on market. And we can still get a higher price than what an investor is going to get you. And let's say even if you don't want to go with a traditional realtor, if you do talk to them and you can at least see the CMA, which is the comparable market analysis to see the value of your home, at least you will be able to make a much more informed decision when you do sell it to an all cash investor that want to offer you 10 days close. So I would say beware when you trying to sell your home quick and fast and just getting all cash. That is not exactly what you think it is. Those are some of my tips on how to get the highest and best price. And if you are looking to buy a home or sell a home here in the Bay Area, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help. And if you're not looking to buy in the area or anywhere else, I am happy to introduce one of my friends to you, one of my trusted realtor friends to you. And I know that whoever that I introduce you, they're going to do a phenomenal job for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.